Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. I promised that I would share my video of all of the things that I have from OnStage. I started to film it straight off my swaps video, and then my battery went kaput. So, and yeah, I'm having to wait on a replacement battery. I need to sort out the microphone. I've looked into all of the settings and I don't understand why it's not working, but anyway, so let me show you what I got. So I'm going to zoom out just briefly. So every attendee was given one of these great big bags, and it's fantastic. It's a bag that you would take to travel with because it's got all sorts of pockets and bits and stuff. You've got zips that this main part can close up, but you can still access a small zip there for, you know, passports and stuff. There's an extra carry handle here for this bit, and then these two parts unzip top and bottom, so you can actually put it over a piece of luggage. So everybody got one of those. Absolutely fabulous. It's logoed on the inside. Oh no, there's extra zip pockets there as well. God, I think if I use this, I'd lose everything. But yeah, extra logo there. And then for leaders, we also got this, which is very nice. So it's a nice little matching makeup bag. I'm just going to ditch the silica gel with these on it, and then a little thank you, little gift tag as well. Congrats on earning. And yeah, so this is rather nice. And what I usually do is I usually take these key rings off and then I use them on my car keys. But yeah, so a nice little matching bag. So we all had that. And then, oh, actually that needs to go inside over there. That was I ended up with 2 lanyards. So Chris, because he came as a carer for me, he had, and it was quite last minute that he came as my carer, so he had a handwritten lanyard. And then this is mine. I put all my ribbons on it, all my performance ribbons, all on here, and made myself as much of a rainbow as I could without green. And then I had these created for my team, I think in early 2019, early 2019, so that we could go to team events and we could all have this as an identifier. So rather than wearing badges or pins or anything like that. But then COVID kicked in, so I have still quite a few of them, and unfortunately, because I'd bought enough that would last sort of 3 or 4 years, they've unfortunately seeped, so I do need to get some more. But yeah, that was my ribbon with all of my achievements in it. So yeah, very pleased. So I'm going to pop that over there, and then we all got a book. So I had to open this because I'd filmed it and then the battery went, but it's rather nice. It's got these little mini stencils, and then in here these are all little stickers that you can peel off, so you can put, you know, information, and then it's just a nice notebook. And that little bit is to hold a pen, and of course we've got 3 pens in, I'm guessing these are new colours, but don't quote me on that, it doesn't actually say, but yeah, 3 rather nice pens. So everybody got those, and then everybody got a paper pumpkin, which I will come to in a second. What's this? Oh, it's my badge. I love badges. So that's very nice. That says OnStage. It doesn't say the year actually, which usually they do. There were 3 make and takes, but I'm famously known for not making my make and takes. So I've got 2 of them here. So you could make cards, which are very nice, but I'm too busy chatting. So they put all of the supplies on the table, and then you can make it across like your lunch break. And then everybody got some of these, which are new sequins. These are called Sunset Sparkle. Everybody got this stamp set, a family celebration. Nice simple font. Oh, there we go, focus. So that's very nice. So it's pretty much everything there. Sending salutations. I pulled this out. I did my team chat, and I pulled it out to do a size comparison. And I am here for you. That's this one, and I'm lining it up with that. Oh, hello, Fauna. And it is an accurate size representation. But again, a really lovely font on those. Wishing you a bright and beautiful future to a marvellous person on their birthday. Although that's spelt the American way. We would spell that with 2 L's, wouldn't we? Anyway, you get the point. So everybody got those, and then we all had prize patrol. There were I think 3 different prize patrols. And it was quite funny. There was a paper pack for one. I think there was a stamp set for another one. I was number 3. I've lost my lanyard now. Yeah, so I was number 3 of prize patrol. And when they show you first what the prize is, and then they announce the number, and I'm addicted to ephemera. I absolutely love it. I don't remember which. It was 2 packs of ephemera. And they showed it up on the screen, and I sat there going, number 3, number 3, number 3, number 3. And then they announced it was number 3. And it was, I think we were the second to have been called. So it was a possibility of 2 numbers. A lovely Valerie who was sat next to me, she went, wow, that was some manifesting. So I was very pleased. And then everybody got the other one. So these are new ones coming out. I love the ephemera. Absolutely love it. They make quick and simple cards. Everybody got those. And then, yeah, so that is something else I'm going to show you in a second. And then everybody got Paper Pumpkin, because if you didn't know, we are going global with our Paper Pumpkin. And our Paper Pumpkin for us in Europe is coming straight out of our warehouse. This is the April one. And for us globally, you can start your subscription from the 1st of April. And if you want this set, set up your subscription between the 1st and the 10th of April, and you will get this one. If it's the 11th of April onwards, you will get the May box, which obviously I don't know what it looks like. This has a masculine father theme, so you can make Father's Day cards, birthday cards without necessarily a masculine theme, or thanks Dad. But actually, you don't have to. You don't have to use these stamps. You could use just the images on here. You could use your own stamp set. I need technically 2 Father's Day cards. One for me to my husband, because he's the father of my children, and one to my own father. But there's plenty in here. There are lots of very clever and very talented people who make other things with Paper Pumpkin. The first subscription that you do, you will get a clear block with it. So it won't be everyone. You will but own it in your first one. So hang on to that. And then all you do is you keep hold of your red box, and you keep your stamp set, your clear block that you get in your first subscription, and your ink spots. And then obviously make your cards straight away and send them out, or store them for use in the future. And then you're keeping those. So yeah, absolutely fabulous. So I'm very excited that this is coming. It's £30 in the UK, and that's inclusive of postage. 34 euros for mainland Europe, again inclusive of postage. So we all got a Paper Pumpkin. And then a perk of attending OnStage meant that I could buy a bundle and a suite early. I didn't want the bundle, I just wanted the suite. And this is called, I think it's Beautiful Ordinary Life. So I'm going to put those 2 to one side and show you these. So it's a die bundle, and she's rubbing her head on me. She really wants to be in this video, don't you, Fauna? Yeah, it's a die bundle. So those ones line up with those, and then you can create your own borders. Gorgeous. Also came with these, which are called an array of dots. I think there is, oh no, there isn't a different colour. Oh, it's slipped down, there we go. So it's those 4. Very nice. I don't know what the colours are. This is Floral Flight Accents, and I'm sorry, my voice is on its way out. Yeah, I don't know how much it's going to last. I don't know if you can see. It's black accents. And, oh, you're just getting a reflection of me. Nobody needs to see that. I'm looking up at my screen. There we go. You can see them there. So they all pull it out. Very nice. So it's 6 by 12 inches. And then there's a paper pack, which is gorgeous. It's black and white on one side. To get all the different images. Black and white on the one side. And you can... we love a little spot, colour those in. So that's on one side, oopsie. And then the other is this lovely, soft, kind of muted shades. Absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, polka dots, very nice. Honeycomb. Don't know what you'd call those, geometric shapes. Very retro styling, stripes. And then sort of a watercolour wash. Very, very nice. And then our other item was we've got a new impressions plate, and this is a soft one because we've got some new products coming out where you stamp first and then die cut. You die cut first and then you emboss. So I got one of those. And then of course, because we're in March, I ordered the product of the month, which is this one. So I'm filming this in March. Whether you're seeing this in March, I don't know. But obviously the product of the month does linger on. If there's still stocks of it, it will linger on. My postman's about to arrive. I just thought that was really cute, you know, with the deer. Is that a duck or a goose? I don't know. The bunny, and then the flowers. And obviously we've got the images that go alongside it. So I bought that as well. And I think that was it with all of my stuff from the OnStage team, from corporate. But yeah, so I'm really pleased. I love it. Oh, the postman's standing around. It's okay. He's going. But yeah, I'm very pleased with my bits. Although by the time you're seeing this, hopefully I will have received my pre-order, and I might have put a hefty one in because the new catalogue is fantastic. I've still got stuff to buy. So this is the new catalogue. I'm only going to show you the front cover. This is the new catalogue. I've still got more than a few things that I wanted to order that weren't available on pre-order. But yeah, very excited. It's fantastic. So this is the new May to August catalogue. So it's a 4-month catalogue. And the postman's going to drive off now without visiting me. That's outrageous. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope to speak to you very soon. And so does Fauna, don't you? Yes, she's smiling at me. Oh, she's purring now. Can you hear her? No, possibly not. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining us. We hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.